Hi, you're welcome to another episode of Safety Moment with Waliola. There is this particular picture of a man who was caught right under the wheel hub of his car while trying to repair his car. The man died as a result of the process, and it is very important that we car owners will understand this. Number one, whenever you are raising your car with a jack, do not rely on the jack as your primary support, as this jack may fail at any point in time. And the first and most important thing is to let you know that it is better for you to take your car out to a specialist who will know how to handle your car than trying to repair your car or maintain your car by yourself, because the consequences is always more severe. Most times we've seen people going right under their car, raising their car with a jack and risking their lives as a result. On this note, like I've said, always make sure that while you raise your car with a jack, don't use the jack as a source of primary support. If you have used your jack and raised it to that level that you want it to be, use a secondary support that can withstand the weight of your car, that won't crush and as a result crush you in return. The man died as a result of this, and it was really a very painful way. I know you won't want this to happen to your relative, to your friends, your family. So share this message and pass this knowledge around. Remember, it's safety first, safety always. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more safety updates. Thank you and God bless you.